Panoorin po natin to kung paano niya tatanggalin yung ring nang hindi po tatanggalin ng rubber band. Tingnan po natin yung diskarte niya kung paano. Panoorin po natin.
A clever person can see it in a second, while someone whose thinking isn't agile may never figure it out, even given days. This is a classic topology puzzle. The challenge is to remove the gold ring from the ropes without detaching the ropes from the wooden sticks at both ends. Observe the structure closely. The ring is solid with no breaks, and the leather rope forms a complete loop, impossible to escape from either the middle or the ends. Most people, 99%, would think it's impossible to remove the ring without taking off the rope. So, how can we get the ring out? First, hook the leather rope behind the left stick with your left index finger and pull it forward. Then, with your right hand, grasp the front rope from below and loop it around the left stick. Next, with your right hand, grab the back rope from above and loop it around the left stick again. Finally, just release the knot on your left index finger and the gold ring will come free. Did you get it?
Grabe. Yun po pala yung paraan para matanggal yung ring na hindi gagalawin ng rubber band, na hindi tatanggalin. Grabe, ang galing mo. Ikaw na.